All right, here's the deal today. The fairings have come in for the OG Fireblade. You see it. It's had the fairings on, the red fairings on it, which have been crashed and smashed. We took it to the frame doctor, got it straightened out.
I only dropped it.
She only dropped it 3 times. But not since the frame doctor. It's perfectly good since then. So, we have the fairings in. Monster fairings. I have a promo code with them. And we're going to reveal fairings to you right now. These are the original color when I bought the bike in 2012.
I'm going to put this.
It's my first bike. And this was the color of the fairings. Look at that. It's a beautiful pearl. Can you see that in the sun?
Sure can. It looks stunning.
So, oh!
That's going to look so good.
That's going to look good.
Oh my gosh.
I like that blue.
Ooh. So, we're going to get these fairings installed, hopefully quickly. I have the fabulous Master Mechanic Kitty with me. Yeah. I don't think she likes that title, but she just got it. So, we're going to see if we can put these on today. And, wish us luck. Thank you. And here goes the time lapse. Here goes the time lapse for the install.
Oh yeah, I can see again.
Oh, the pearl paint. It's too merch.
Sexy.
Oh, here's the monster piece. The monster fairings monster piece. The tank cover. Glimmering in pearl white. So the original name of the 2012 CBR1000RR paint was called Sunbeam White. And this looks just like it. That's gorgeous. Alright, is there progress being made? Yes. Are we moving very fast? No. But there is progress being made. Look, we got rid of the box and we have the fairings all out of the box now. I just wanted to show you guys a little progress. We're getting through it.
We are. You know, the unwrapping is the hardest part, I will say.
Yeah. Alright, here comes plan B. We have Titanium Moto here. What's up, man? He is making huge progress and gains on this Fireblade. Him and Dana have been knocking it out this morning, and it's starting to come to life. The old monster fairings are off because I basically just trashed them over the years. A big rock did that. And Monster Fairings has the original ones in here now that the bike came with in 2012. And they are looking frosty. So the Fireblade is coming back together. I just wanted you guys to get a little progress update here. And I wanted to thank Titanium Moto here for killing the game. We got Mexican money in the house. 626. He's finishing up with Jorge here, the front end. Oh my God. This is the reason I bought this bike. That's the best one. That's the one I want. And I got it in 2012. 2021 is still here. That thing been crashed. Let's not talk about how many times. And we came to a kind of a funny conclusion here. Out of all the bikes I have sitting here, Phantom, that's been crashed. OG Fireblade, that's been crashed several times. Loopy, got looped, crashed. Phantom 2, got clotheslined, crashed. The Grom, it's the only one in perfect condition because Phantom 3 is the used bike that has been crashed at some point. So the only virgin bike here is unfortunately the Grom. So that's what I'm dealing with here. But OG Fireblade's coming back to life. We got the OGs on it. So it's getting done. You see the progress. It looks so good in the white.
Yeah, it does.
That's the fact.
White though. It's not just white.
It's not just white. It's pearl white. With the flakes. Alright, I walked out here and seen this tail Oh, it's frosty. Look at that. That's when you can see the pearl in the sun. Can y'all see that?
Oh yeah.
Is it focusing on this camera? This camera don't focus very well. I'm just saying. This ain't no DSLR camera. Fireblade coming too. Thanks to the master mechanics. I don't know what they done did to get this stuff on, but they made some magic happen. Wait, did something just crash? Or was that a rev?
That was a rev.
Oh.
Someone's here.
Yeah! He was like, alright, I guess. Well done, Dana.
Thank you.
Broken,
Easy fix.
particularly.
Move it back. Move it back to where it needs to be.
Wait, I need a flathead of Jimmy on my seat?
Yep.
What? What? Wait. I thought we were restoring this Fireblade to A1, not C3.
Keep going. Keep going. There.
So it doesn't even hook. It'll just be floppy.
No. Wait, why is that? We're missing some
It
pieces?
can't be.
No, once you tighten those bolts down, it'll be straight.
Here.
I'm
No,
sure.
'cause it's not even.
No. Wait, gotta watch out with this bike though. It is dangerous. It's got no traction control on it and way too much power.
It doesn't even have ABS.
No, non-ABS.
You got that side.
Man, that bike looks good.
Yeah.
It was just a good looking bike. When I saw it in the showroom, I was just like, damn,
Yep.
this thing's ready to conquer.
Yeah. I'm just gonna
Come to find out, it was a pretty legendary bike.
Look at. There's a bolt right there, dude.
Yes, we do need to add gasket to CBR part list, needed part list. Also, we need to add Litech heel guard, because that thing broke.
Oh.
And it's crazy, it broke, it wasn't even a crash. I just stood up on the bike and it broke off. That was in like 2015.
Wow, that's pretty crap quality. If it's,
Look at it. It's not even real alloy or
it's not even
steel.
carbon. It's like composite.
It's composite,
with
like
a print over it.
cement. Frickin'.
It's carbon composite, probably.
I've heard people call it pot metal.
Yeah.
Mexican money got a point. You know it. Look at that. Ooh wee. OG blade looking frosty. Look at that. Monster fairings coming through. These things are super frosty. I mean, well done on the paint job. It's got the pearl. It's flaking in the sun. It is looking magnificent. That's it. That's all I gotta say. The promo code is MAXWRIST. You will get a discount on your monster fairings at this link right here. The OG blade, and they're bringing it back to life. Brand new 2021, and it's a 2012. It's gonna be 10 years old next year, but I bet you on its 10-year anniversary, she gonna be looking frosty. Oh, that's last night's work right there.
Man, and it made the tank. I mean, it made it.
Ready for LA Race Club. Who's trying to get some on a 210? What you got? Since all the master mechanics are here,
Tail light's already on it.
they tackled the Fireblade. And now they're like, screw it, we're gonna do your S1K too, which also has frosty new monster fairings. Wait till you guys see the fairings that Mexican money is putting on right now. Ooh wee! The two-tone red looks phenomenal. I told them I wanted red chrome, and they said we can't do red chrome, but we can.
I'm good.
Give you something that looks like red chrome, and they did a good job. For this is paint, so it looks like those anodized bolts that money's taking out right now to put them on. All right, well, I just wanted to show you it's going down. They're like just charging today.
Yeah.
Getting it done.
Doesn't have it, huh?
Getting it in.
The left side doesn't have it, huh?
That's how they be doing it in LA, getting it done.
Okay.
Here's some more of the monster fairings. That tail is lit! Fire! Oh my god. We're ready. I was just saying earlier, this 2015 S1K front end might be the best of the bunch.
Yeah, you think?
A lot of people like the asymmetrical headlights. And then they have the two-tone on them, so it's just like fire paint job. Well done, Monster Fairings. I also have a promo code for S1000RR fairings as well. The promo code is MAXWRIST for S1000RR fairings at monsterfairings.com. These fairings came quick too. I was surprised because I wasn't expecting them yet. That's why I really haven't done anything with this bike. But since I have the master mechanics here, might as well kill the game real quick. We got Dana, Mexican money, Motorsport 310, and titanium moto here. Killing the game. Wait a second, I'm over here prepping something and waiting for Dana to get back with these pizzas we just ordered. And I hear Mexican money over here saying this is the last piece. I'm like, what? I come over here, look at the Beamer, and look at it. He's putting on the last monster fairing. Look at this fairing kit they did. This bike looks like a damn Ferrari. Forget about it. What? It has never looked this good. And we got it certified straightened from the frame doctor, so this bike is good to go. Well, got to do a few other things to it. Basically just put on the radiator and get the new clamps for it, and bam, we might have a fully running 2015 S1000 monster. It's already got the Bren tune on it. It already revs out all the way. I'm going to go to Troy at Bren Tune again to get an update for whatever the newest they have there is. I have a promo code with Bren as well. The promo code is MAXWRIST. You can get a discount on the handhelds for your BMW or Ducati. A few other bikes too. Check out their website, brentuning.com. Bren Tuning Moto. They do cars as well. You ain't going to get my discount on some car parts though. You're only going to get my discount on motorcycle
that's an under bracket.
tuning devices. Just so you know. Because we're just about the motorcycles here. Bren doesn't tune the Hondas. So, if any tuners out there want to tackle the Fireblade, get it running and get it tuned, and let me know. And then the whole stable should be getting ready. That Beamer's just parts over there. That's Phantom. We got Phantom 2. We got Phantom 3. Grom and Loopy. And we got pizza. Oh my god, it's over. I gotta stop this. It's too. I'm about to smash this pizza. I'm sure they are too, so I ain't gonna show you that. We're just gonna fast forward to the end when it's all done. It's gonna be dope.
Yes, Emma.
There you go.
Look at that pop in there. This bike looks completely sick. I mean, Monster Fairings outdid themselves with this set of fairings. I told them I wanted the Fireblade fairings original, which they did a stunning job on these original ones. They look exactly how they're supposed to look.
That gray on the bottom of the screen.
And we have put the 2015 custom BMW S1000RR fairings on. Loopy. They are custom MAXWRIST logo ones.
This
Look at
goes
that.
under there like this.
Monster Fairings will do whatever kind of fairings you want. Got a promo code, it's MAXWRIST.
Down here.
You can get fairings for your motorcycle as well. They sell them for all bikes.
Oh, okay. I can do that. That's awesome. It is so good.
You guys killed the damn game today. That's it.